with this man Kiahi. We're about to shoot this BB gun right here. I got you. Ready? See that? Yeah, that BB gun right there. Yeah, you already know. So I'm gonna put it in slow mo. I got you. Ready? You ready? Yeah.